In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneNote connection error. OneNote occasionally experiences connection issues, which can prevent your notebooks from syncing properly. If you see the error code 0xE0000070 B6d09, it usually indicates a problem with your network connection or the way OneNote is syncing with your account. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to resolve this issue quickly. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. OneNote requires a consistent connection to sync notebooks, so a weak or intermittent connection can trigger this error. If your connection is fine, try restarting OneNote and your computer. Sometimes, simply refreshing the application can clear temporary glitches that prevent syncing. Next, verify that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account. Open OneNote and go to the top right corner to check your account information. If necessary, sign out and sign back in to refresh the authentication. This step ensures that OneNote has the proper permissions to access your notebooks in the cloud. If the error persists, try closing the affected notebook and reopening it. Right-click on the notebook name in OneNote and select Close Notebook. Then, reopen it by navigating to your notebooks list and selecting it from your OneDrive or SharePoint location. This often reestablishes a proper connection and resolves syncing problems. Another important step is to check for OneNote updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause unexpected errors. Go to the File menu, select Account, and click Update Options to make sure your OneNote application is up to date. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve stability. Finally, if the problem continues, consider clearing the OneNote cache. Close OneNote, then navigate to the cache folder on your computer, usually located in your user profile under App Data. Deleting the cache forces OneNote to reload your notebooks and can fix persistent connection errors. Just be careful not to delete your actual notebook files. By following these steps, checking your internet, signing out and back in, reopening notebooks, updating the app, and clearing the cache, you should be able to resolve the OneNote connection error and resume syncing without any issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.